Let us discuss the questions given in your text. Exercise 5.1 on chapter 5. Express each of the following complex numbers in the form a plus ib. Z equals a plus ib is the standard form for representing a complex number, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. We shall look into it. 5i into negative 3 by 5i. See, 5 multiplied by negative 3 by 5 is negative 3. I into I is I square. That is equal to negative 3 into negative 1. Answer is 3. It should be expressed in the form Z equals A plus IB. Now we can write it as Z equals 3 plus imaginary part has reduced to 0, therefore 0i. The answer is 3 plus 0i. Now question number 2, I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19. Now we can write this I raised to 9 as I raised to 8 into I, and this one as I raised to 16 into I cube. I raised to 8 into I raised to 1 is equal to I raised to 8 plus 1, that is I raised to 9. I raised to 16 into I raised to 3 is equal to I raised to 16 plus 3, that is I raised to 19. Now I raised to 8 is I raised to 4 whole square. I raised to 4 is 1. Therefore, I raised to 8 has become 1. That is to say, 1 into I plus I raised to 16 is I raised to 4 all raised to 4. There also it is 1. 1 raised to 4 is 1 itself. Therefore, 1i plus 1i cube. Now, what is this I cube? That is I plus I square into I. I square is negative 1. Therefore, the answer is I minus I 0. How can we represent it? In this case, Z is equal to 0 plus 0i in the A plus IB form. Answer is 0 plus 0i. Now, I raised to 39. This is 1 by I raised to 39. A raised to minus n. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by A raised to n. We have studied in the laws of indices. Therefore, I raised to minus 39 is equal to 1 by I raised to 39, which is the same as 1 by I raised to 36 into I cube. I raised to 36 is, it is 36 is a multiple of 4. I raised to 4 is 1. Therefore, this part is 1. Therefore, 1 by I cube, that is equal to, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by I, that is I by I raised to 4. But I raised to 4 is 1. Therefore, the answer reduces to I. Therefore, Z is equal to 0 plus I. That is the complex number in the general form. Now the fourth one, 3 into 7, 21, plus 21I, plus 7I, I into I, negative 1, negative 7. 21 minus 7, that is 14. Then 21I plus 7I, that is plus 28I. This can be written as Z equals 14 plus 28I. Okay.